Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the file sort command in Fidelity Pointwise to sort domains or blocks for grid export. I have in front of you an instance of Fidelity Pointwise with 27 blocks. The green blocks right here are all structure. The red blocks right here are voxel blocks. And the yellow blocks right here are unstructured. It is important to note that my current CA dimension is set to 3D, which makes sense because I have blocks in front of me. Let's go to the file sort command. So if I enter this command, you can see that I have my 27 blocks in here in a certain order. So what is the file sort command going to allow you to do? This command is going to allow you to change the order of blocks if your current CA dimension is set to 3D, or domains if your current CA dimension is set to 2D for the purpose of exporting your mesh. So in other words, whatever order I have in here for my blocks in this case is the order in which those blocks are going to be exported. It is important to know that the order that you have right here in the file sort command can actually be different from the order that you can see for the same entities in the list panel. Now going back to the sort command, how can I change the order of, in this case, my blocks? Let's assume that I select the first block here, which is named BLK-1, and I want to change its order in the list. So one way to do that is you can simply double click right here, enter a number for the order that I'm interested in for this particular block, click enter, and you can actually see that the order of that block now is at the bottom of the list, position 27. So if I actually choose to export my grid as is, the block BLK-1 is the last one that will be exported. You can also use the buttons down here to actually change the order. I can move it up, I can move it down, I can move it all the way up, or I can move it all the way down. It is also important to note that I can actually do the same and change the order of a set of blocks. So I can select blocks 1, 2, and 3 and change the order as desired. There's additional ways to change the order of your blocks. I can simply click right here on the name header on the list and organize by name, organize by type, organize by the number of points on these grid entities, and organize by the number of cells in these entities. Once I am satisfied with the order of my blocks, I can simply click OK. Now, what happens if I change my dimension to 2D? As expected, my blocks are going to be deleted. And I'm going to go again to the file sort command. You can see everything looks the same. The mechanics of ordering entities is the same. The only difference is right now, instead of changing the order of blocks and changing the order of domains. Once I am satisfied with my order, let's assume I do something like that. Just like before, you can just click OK. Now, what happens if with no blocks currently in my grid, I change the dimension back to 3D? You can see I have a bunch of domains in here, but the number of blocks is 0. What happens if I go to File, Sort? You can see that the File Sort command is currently disabled, and that is because my current CAE dimension is set to 3D, and this command is expecting blocks, and I have no blocks in my grid. So that's why the command is disabled. Now, another thing that I want to point out is right here, if a certain command is disabled and you don't know why, you can simply put the mouse pointer right next to it. And a tooltip is going to tell you why that particular command is disabled. In this particular case, the tooltip says sort no blocks are present, which is the case, and that is why, like I said, that particular command is disabled. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.